All right. Hello and welcome to week 7. Okay. Thanks for coming. We are going to get started. Now, at the end, if anyone's still here, and I'm going to have to make this announcement again, there will be a Kahoot. And the top 3 people, is that who ends up on the podium? The top 3 will get 5 extra credit homework points. If you haven't done, if you don't already have 100% for your homework. Okay, so at the end, there will be a Kahoot. The top 3 people get 5 extra credit homework points. In order to do that, you will either need the phone app Kahoot, or you will need to be able to have 2 tabs open on your computer at once. So you guys are teenagers, and a lot of you are actually better at that than me. So we will talk about that at the end. Quick announcement, we're going to do a Kahoot at the end. And I'm going to have to keep saying that as people come in. Okay, any questions before we get started? If you have questions you want to ask me without the group, then you are welcome to stick around at the end and we can talk about it later. All right, welcome. Quick announcement, we're going to do a quick Kahoot at the end if anyone's going to be interested, and you can compete for extra credit. All right. Oh, are we going to say hi? Okay. Turn on. I'm going to wave and say hi. Okay. Good morning. Hello. Thanks for joining me. All right. Yay. I see you. Anyone else? No? Okay. Thanks. Okay. Let's get started. Now, these are the vocabulary that you absolutely need to know. It'd be good to make flashcards with these so that you really, really know them. A linear pair forms a line. Okay, so here's a linear pair. And we know that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180. Notice we don't have a pair of parallel lines. They are together on one line. I know it looks like this is the second line, but the others, corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior, and then there's also same side interior. Those are going to have, that's weird. Those are going to have parallel lines. So linear pair, they make a line. They make 180 degrees. Oh my. And, okay. So let's make this a little smaller. Okay, corresponding angles. So corresponding. If 2 lines are parallel, okay, and those little arrows. So we have lines, right, with end arrows. And then we also have these funny little arrows in the middle. Yeah, we have 2 lines and 2 lines, 2 arrows and 2 arrows. So these arrows right here say that those lines are parallel. Okay, now corresponding. Let's talk about the vocabulary word corresponding. Here's my classroom, or here's the classroom of an in-person teacher. Here's desk number 23. Okay, period 1, someone sits in desk number 23. Period 2, a different person sits in desk 23. They are in the same spot at different times. Okay, so they are corresponding. Or if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, okay, so getting a little jumpy here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're actually going to use that same picture. Okay, so look at line L and line K. So corresponding angles. Angle 1 corresponds, now this is your first one, so to angle, okay, see how angle 1 is sitting on line L. Okay, angle 1 is sitting on line L. I want another angle that's in the same spot on line K. Okay, so let's look at angle 1. Is it on the top of L or the bottom? Is it on the left or the right? Yeah, so Zoomers, how would you describe angle 1? You're going to use 2 words, either top or bottom and left or right. So anyone? You guys can hear me, right? Okay, yay, I got someone. Okay, that is correct. Can everyone see that angle 1, awesome, is on the top left of L? Awesome. So look at line K. I need another angle that is on the top left. Okay, so what angle is corresponding with angle 1? Ding, ding, ding. All right. So angle 1 is corresponding with angle 5. How about angle 2? Angle 2, ding, ding, ding. All right. Angle 6. Angle 3. Yeah, 3, ding, ding, ding. With angle 7. Angle 4 is corresponding with angle 8. Awesome. Okay, so you're thinking of these words, top left or bottom left or top right or bottom right. Okay, so that's how you determine corresponding angles. Now, alternate interior. First of all, oh my gosh, it's so jumpy. So first of all, alternate interior, let's make this go away. Alternate interior angles, we need to talk about the interior. I have 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay, so let's look at, this is a house. Here is the front yard, right? There's some grass. Here is the backyard. Yeah, we see some grass in the front yard and backyard. The green areas are the exterior, right? Exterior. So the green areas are the exterior. Then inside the house, the highlighted yellow area, we are going to call, what do you think we're going to call the highlighted yellow area in between the 2 parallel lines? All right, thank you, interior. Okay, so good for your brain to always think a step ahead. Okay, if I'm about to say something, you're thinking, I know what she's about to say. Okay, exterior of two parallel lines has grass, interior highlighted yellow. Okay, so alternate interior. And it's very crowded. So, okay, let's make these disappear. I'll rewrite alternate exterior over here. Okay, alternate interior. So I need you to name an angle on the interior of my parallel lines. Yeah, what would be an angle on the interior? Ooh, you gave me both. Okay, awesome. If I say angle 4, that's on the interior. Alternating is when you go one red, one blue, one left, one right. In this case, yes, 3, 4, 5, and 6, awesome, are on the interior. Angle 4. Now, let's talk about what would be alternate interior with 4. Yeah, alternate interior with 4. So it needs to go one, if 4 is on the interior, I need another one. Awesome. It's also on the interior since 4 is on the right. 5 is on the left. They are both on the interior. Okay, so angle 4 is alternate interior with angle 5. So that leaves angle 3 is alternate interior with angle, yeah, 3 and ding, ding, ding. Yeah, angle 6. Alternate interior. Okay. Let's bring alternate exterior up here. Okay, exterior angles. They need to be either in the front yard or the backyard, right? The green areas. So I need a pair. An alternate is one on the left, one on the right, one on the right, one on the left. Okay, can you guys type in? I have 2 pairs of alternate exterior angles. Ding, ding, ding. Awesome. Anyone else? 2 pairs. So we have angle 2 is alternate exterior to angle 7. Oh. All right. Angle 1 is alternate exterior to angle 8. Yeah, they're on the exterior. Okay. Now, that is a good point. Let's talk about 2 and 7. Can you see that 2 and 7, if lines are parallel, 2 and 7 are going to have equal measures? Do you guys see that? When you look at this, your brain should group them into acute angles and obtuse angles. All those acute angles are going to be equal. 2, 3, 6, and 7 are all acute. Right, and they equal 180. So 1, 4, 5, and 8 are all going to be equal to each other. Now, angle 2 is on the top right. Yeah, top right of angle L. How would you describe angle 7? Yeah, bottom left. they are not corresponding. Yeah? So do you see I have top right and top left? So, sorry, bottom left. So that brings up a question. Angle 2 and angle 7. Using the vocabulary that I just talked about, what would be a 2-word description for angle 2? Can anyone think of a 2-word description? Nice. Yeah, anyone else? Okay, I'm going to draw some grass. Anyone else? Awesome. Now, how about a 2-word description? Yeah, they are alternate exterior. Yeah, so do we see that 2 and 7 are alternate exterior? Okay, so 2 and 7 are alternate exterior. Angle 3 and angle 6, what do we call 3 and 6? If they're on the inside. Those are alternate interior. Yeah. So see how this might be a good idea to make some flashcards and really be confident on these words. Okay, I'm going to erase these. Okay, now there's another one that's not in this list. Same side. There's actually 2 more. Interior. And same side exterior. Okay, I need oops. Let's go ahead and I'll draw the grass again for the exterior. Okay, I need a pair of same side interior angles. Yeah, 2 pairs. Ooh, not corresponding. I need a number and a number that are going to be same side interior angles. Okay, correct. Angle 4. Yeah, Zoomers. Angle 4 and angle 6. Awesome. Angle 3. Okay, Zoomers. Awesome. And 5. Same side interior. Okay, awesome. Now let's go to the exterior. Angle 1. Same side exterior with angle. Ding, ding, ding. 7. Angle 2. Same side exterior. Ding, ding, ding. Angle 8. Okay, it's a lot of vocabulary, but really you're familiar with the words interior and exterior. And then we have same side, alternate. And then the only other one is corresponding, which is top left, top, or whatever the place is. Okay, now quick review. Linear pair, notice they're together on the same line, not 2 different lines. Okay, vertical. Vertical looks like this, right? And you know what? I shouldn't have drawn that. Okay, vertical. Angle 6 is vertical. Okay, anyone want to guess? All right, ding, ding, ding. Angle 7. Notice they're on the same line. angle 6, and angle 7. They're both on K. Okay, so those are both on K. Now I need a pair of vertical angles that are both on L. All right, angle 1 and angle 4. So notice corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior. On one is on each, like one's on L and one's on K. Linear and vertical are on the same line. All right, let's practice. Okay, looking at your definitions up above, please type in X and Y and use a vocabulary. Ding, ding, ding. Anyone else? All right. Vertical. Notice they're on the same line. Yeah. Number 2. Very good. Anyone else? Go ahead and direct message so everyone doesn't see the answer. All right. So we notice here's some grass. They're not on the same side. One's on the left, one's on the right. So this is alternate exterior. Yeah, alternate exterior, X and Y. Okay, number 3. 2 words. Very good. Very fast. Yeah, Zoomers, 2 words. All right. Here's the grass. They are not on the outside. Alternate. Alternate interior. Number 4. If this is line L and this is line K, they are on the same line, not on separate lines. Are they vertical? Oh, they are not vertical. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, oh, careful. Now, alternate interior, they have to be one is on line L and one is on line K. Corresponding, it has to be one on line L and one on line K. Yeah, so good to have these conversations. Now, vertical looks like this, where we have V's. That's what vertical looks like. So there's something else. Linear pair. Yeah, see how they make a line? Two angles that go together to make a line. Yeah, linear pair. Number 5. Okay, one's on line L and one's on line K. One is on the exterior and one is on the interior. Ding, ding, ding. So let's describe these as top left and top left. These are corresponding. Okay. Number 6. Ooh, the transversal is more slanted. Better draw some grass. I'm gonna actually. Okay, 2 words, please. Correct. Ooh, not linear pair. Correct. These are alternate interior. Yeah, one's on the left, one's on the right, and they are both on the interior. Yeah, see the difference between 5 and 6? 6, we had one on the exterior, one on the interior. Yes, so 3 is alternate interior and 6 is alternate interior. Okay, that would be great to make flashcards with. Okay. Let's go on. Now, if lines are parallel, so if lines are parallel, I'm going to say if L parallel to K. Okay, so we're going to have line L and line K. That is not an 11, that is parallel to. Okay, then corresponding angles are congruent. Congruent means their measures are equal. Objects are congruent, measures are equal. Like if you and I were the same height, we're not the same person, but we have the same measure, the same height. Corresponding angles are congruent. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. What about linear pair? Linear pair are not congruent, are they? What do we know about a linear pair? Their sum is 180. Yeah, they add up to 180. We call that supplementary. Supplementary. Okay. Okay, what about alternate exterior? Oh, no, sorry. What about same side interior? Okay, I'll just redraw it, sorry. Same side interior. Lines are parallel. So if this is 100, what is that one right there? 80. Linear pair 80, those are also vertical. Corresponding, right? If lines are parallel, does everyone agree that that's what those angles look like? See, all the corresponding ones are congruent? Okay, thank you. Now, what can you tell me about Same side interior. They're not congruent to each other, are they? Same side interior. Their sum is 180. We call those supplementary. Yeah? Can we see that if lines are parallel and all those corresponding angles are congruent, then same side interior angles are supplementary. Okay, what about same side exterior angles? Same side exterior angles they are different. They are not congruent. Yeah, if lines are parallel, corresponding angles are congruent, their sum is 180. Okay, so we are going to have a group of angles who are congruent to each other and a group of angles whose sum is 180. Now, what about vertical? I didn't put vertical in yet. Which group do I put vertical in? Vertical angles are over here. Vertical angles are congruent. Thank you. Their measures are equal. Okay, so all this vocabulary we have so we're going to have to name the relationship between the angles and solve. So 2 things. Number 1, name. Number 2, I'm going to put an X here. So number 1, name. Number 2, find the value of X. So what do we call 95 is on the exterior. It's on the top right of line L, and X, it's on the interior. It's on the top right of line K. Ding, ding, ding. All right. So corresponding. Yeah. Corresponding angles are congruent. So X is equal to, correct. Huh, Zoomers? What is X equal to if they're corresponding angles? All right. Awesome. Anyone else? X is equal to 95. Okay, so this may feel like a whole bunch of vocabulary. Geometry does have more vocabulary, but it's going to get better. We're going to see these over and over and over again. Okay, number 8. Okay, I need vocabulary, and we're going to solve for X. So what vocabulary is it? Ding, ding, ding. Thank you. Okay, Zoomers, anyone else? They are both on the interior. In fact, they're both on the same line. Here's one, here's the other, both on the same line. All right, awesome. So this is a linear pair. And we take 180 minus 75 and we get 105 degrees. X equals 105. Yeah, linear pair. Okay. Number 9. Oh, look, we don't even need this line. They're both on the same line. Huh. Ding, ding, ding. So I need 2 things. I need the vocabulary, and we're going to solve for X. So thank you. The vocabulary is vertical. And vertical angles are congruent, so X equals 121. Now, it's always good when you look at those, you're thinking, is it an obtuse angle or is it acute? So these are obtuse. Yeah, and the other ones are acute.
No, you're not seeing in here, right?
No. Yeah, so that one's obtuse. And then the linear pair, you're going to have one obtuse and one acute. Okay. Okay, so we need a description and we're going to solve for X. And I can see that they're both acute. All right, so 2 words. Let's draw some grass. We notice one's on the right, one's on the left. Awesome. So we have alternate exterior, and X is equal to 63. Yeah, alternate exterior angles are congruent. Okay. Number 11. We need vocabulary and solve. I don't even need this line. They're on the same line. So there's only 2 categories that are on the same line. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, Zoomers, anyone else? We call these linear pair. And X is equal to 180 minus 50, which is 130. Awesome. Okay, number 12. So I need vocabulary and what is X equal to? So do this one. I'll be right back. Okay, so alternate interior. Yeah, they're both on the interior. One's on the right, one's on the left. So alternate interior angles are congruent. X equals 54. Okay. Now we're going to use our algebra skills. Yeah, we're going to use our algebra skills. So first, let's label. What do we call these? We have one on the exterior, one on the interior. We have top right and top right. Not linear pair. These are corresponding. Yeah, top right, top right. Okay, so they're corresponding. Now we need to write an equation. So if they're corresponding, 7x minus 3 is equal to 60. Yeah, so they're not always going to be equal. They're only going to be equal if they are corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, right? Sometimes they are equal to each other and sometimes they equal 180. Okay, draw a line down the equal sign. Let's add 3 to both sides, isolate the variable. So poof, 7x is equal to 63. And the last step is divide. So corresponding, 63 divided by 7 is 9. All right, thank you. 14. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, here's 14. Okay, so we need the vocabulary and then we need to set up an equation. Notice I've been doing a lot of practicing with equations, and now we're going to start using that more. I don't even need that one. And I notice, I'm going to kind of draw them in. All right, thank you. This is a linear pair. All right, awesome. Their sum is 180. So sorry, let's do it in order. 70 plus x plus 120 is equal to 180. Next step is to combine like terms. X plus 190 is equal to 180. And the next step is isolate. Minus 190. X is equal to negative 10 degree, negative 10. So yep, that works. Okay, that gives me 70 and then 110. X can be a negative number. An angle cannot be negative, but X can be negative. Okay, team, how we doing? Hanging in there? Okay, good. So this is an entire week's worth of geometry, all in an hour, hour 15. Okay. Ooh. Well, this is complicated. Okay, I don't think this line is involved. I'm just gonna get rid of it. And I don't think this line is involved. Okay, now can we see it better? So we have this one and this one. So, okay, we see they're congruent, huh? So we see, what is the vocabulary? All right, good. Alternate interior. And alternate interior angles are congruent. So 7x plus 10 has equal measure to 80. Draw a line down the equal sign, minus 10 to both sides. We are not combining like terms. We are isolating the variable. Okay, divide by 7, x is equal to 10. So we have alternate interior and we have x is equal to 10, and we showed our steps. So just a reminder, as you watch the video, don't just put a 10. Like, I'm not going to give you credit if you just say 10. Okay, so vocabulary, write your equation, show your steps, solve. And that's it. Okay, now I'm always nervous. I never know if this is going to work. Let's try a Kahoot. Okay, so if you're interested, we are done. If you need to go, you can go. If you're going to stick around, we're going to do a Kahoot. So open up, you need 2 tabs, right? You guys know how this works. I'm not really good at this. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, that's all. That's all we need. But this will be good practice if anyone wants to stick around. Okay, I'm going to get this going. And hang in there. Oh my. Okay, here we go. Here it comes. Play now. Okay. I'm about to tell you what the game pin is. Wait, what? Oh, I have to log in. Okay. So okay, here we go. So you know how this works, right? On Zoom, you need to have 2 tabs. One to see the questions. There's my game pin. Anyone in? Top 4 players that make it to the end of the game get extra credit. Yay. Yay. Mega. Okay. Mega Muse 643. I can guess who that is. Okay.
That's my YouTube channel name.
Oh, because we have a YouTuber. Okay. Are you ready? So you will have 60 seconds to answer the question. So you know you have to have 1 tab to see the question and 1 tab for the little color boxes, right? You guys know how to do this on Zoom? Okay, what's the relationship of angle 1 and angle 2? Select the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. You have 45 seconds. And up, all 4 are in. All 4 are in, which means ding, 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 linear pair. You are awesome. Okay, next question. Yeah, next. I have this little thing blocking. Okay, ding, ding, ding. Good job. Okay, it doesn't matter who's fastest. It's just top 4. Okay, 3 and 6. Ready, Zoomers? 3 and 6. Select the correct answer. 5? There's 5 of you? Wait, I thought there was 4. Anyway. Okay, correct answer. Alternate interior. Okay, alternate interior. 3 and 6 were alternate interior. Next question. Okay. 5 and 1. You guys, this is so good for your brain. 5 and 1. I think one of you's in there twice. I got 5 answers. Anyway, 5 answers. Wait, I'm confused. Okay. Corresponding. Yay. All of you are correct. Awesome job. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Answers are in. Answers are in. I swear, that's so confusing. 2 and 7. Alternate exterior. Yeah, be careful. It caught you. Alternate exterior. Forgot about that one, huh? Awesome job. Okay. Oh, I have 2 megas. That's why. Okay. 4 and 6. Yeah, 4 and 6. Be very careful. Oh, I'm sorry. If I wait, are you in? It looks like you're answered. Okay. Well, you know what? There's only 4 of you. So sorry it's lagging. This is kind of dependent on yeah. Okay. One of you is guessing twice. You are so funny. Same side interior. Ding, 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 ding. All right. That's really funny. Okay. Woo! 5 correct answers in a row. I know it's not perfect. 5 and 8. Okay, and then we're gonna solve some equations. 5 and 8. Answers are okay. I'll wait. That might be you, Ruby. 5 and 8. Oh, answers are in. Ding, ding, ding. Vertical angles. You guys are great. All right. Go. Okay. It's going. Oh, no, there's one more. 1 and 7. Ooh, 1 and 7. This is tricky. This one's tricky. Be very careful. 1 and 7. Think front lawn, back lawn. Oh, you guys are in. Oh, okay. Same side exterior. Awesome. Okay. It's going to get a little bit more difficult. You are actually going to have to solve an equation. Yay. Okay, good. Then, and it's so good for your brain. We, awesome. Maybe we'll try to do some more. Okay. Oh, this is still in the recording. Okay. Now, those lines are parallel. Okay. Forget that question on top. Those lines are parallel, right? I have same side interior angles. Oh, this one's harder. Yeah, we have a little bit longer for this one. So write an equation and solve for x. Ooh, yeah. Will it help if I give you music? Do, 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 do. Oh, 2 answers are in. 3 answers are in. 4 answers are in. 5 answers are in. Good job. Okay, so it was 46, right? You set them, you added them together equal to 180. Okay, add them together equal to 180. Okay. Yeah. Last question. Okay, if lines are parallel, one of them is on the top right and the other is also on the top right. So are they equal to each other, or you add them and their sum is 180? Ooh, so they're going to be equal to each other, right? And then you're going to isolate the variable. You're going to add 45 to both sides. Subtract x. Oh, one answer's in. Yeah, we have an equation with a variable on both sides. So you're going to solve by isolating the variable. Oh, 4 answers are in. I don't know who's not in. Oh, 5 answers are in. Okay. Next. Ooh, okay. Oh, wow. That was a challenging one. Okay. That tells me that we need to practice a little bit more with stuff like that. Okay. So top 4. Top 4. Podium. Okay. So there are 4 of you here. So you guys, when you put the answer, either I'm going to remember just to go right now and give you your points. So you get 5 points for attending the review session and another 5 for being in the top 4 of the Kahoot. Okay. That is all for today. Oh man, did I nail the timing or what? It is 10:30 on the dot, and I can stop this recording.